Today is exactly the 1-year anniversary of when I started this YouTube channel, and I just wanted to take a moment to thank you, all of my viewers and subscribers, who have been joining me on this journey through the Untamed Skies. We've come a long way, with this channel growing to over 1,300 subscribers, and the World Cup video I posted last week is already about to break 40,000 views with over 175 comments. It's been awesome reading your enthusiastic stories of first-hand encounters with the Untamed Skies and answering your questions about how the weather works. I created this channel to explain the latest science of meteorology in a way that is tangible and relatable to any person who may not have a science background, but who must live under and deal with the ever-changing and sometimes angry skies. There are so many YouTube channels out there devoted to live streaming extreme weather, or giving you the latest weather forecast, often with a healthy dose of exaggerated hype and clickbait. But there really is no channel out there right now where a meteorologist with over 20 years of experience in the field explains the why behind the things we say and do as meteorologists. TV stations around the world are filled with meteorologists, and many are starting to share some educational content, but their primary job is to give you the latest forecast, and the vast majority don't have the time to make explainers or deep dives into the actual science of what we do. Meteorology is the most visible of the sciences, yet is the most lacking when it comes to content on social media that demystifies the why behind the weather in a way that's understandable. And so, that's the gap that Untamed Skies is trying to fill. We tackle the weather topics that you hear about all the time on TV or on social media, but nobody ever bothered to explain. Why do storms spin? How does the weather get to the app on your phone? How does a hurricane form? What's the difference between relative humidity and dew point? The difference between weather and climate? What's a nor'easter? Or an atmospheric river? Or a heat dome? And what exactly is the polar vortex? How do you spot clickbait when it comes to snow forecasts? And why does America have the craziest weather in the world? These are the questions that we've explored on this channel this past year, and I look forward to answering more of your burning weather questions as we grow into year 2. So thanks again for joining me on this journey. Please drop a comment for what topic you'd like me to tackle next, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep looking up.